When you're rolling up against two of the people we're rolling up against in the heat, can't take anything away from Pete or Chad. You know, they're class acts, they're on the money. But we're trying to do the same thing. We're gonna see what we can do. I'll take what they gave us, we'll cut her apart, and we'll have a good time.
Open these up, so I'll take the bolts out. We gotta open that up.
What, 8 by 8?
8 by 8.
Okay, that'll work. That'll work.
Other than that, it's really nothing we didn't expect. Our nuts, the reason they're marked up, they just want us to make it look good because my welds are well over ½ inch wide.
Gotcha. So
But the nuts are good.
take that.
Nuts are good, everything's good.
What about
Just
on the inside?
around the nuts, and then
Yep.
burn them out a little bit.
The yaw thread on the side of the frame, you gotta whack him off.
Okay, let's do this. Let's get the thing in the air. Let's get on jack stands,
Yep.
a jack under the rear end, a jack under the front end. Get our jack stand plates, get the tires off of it, and let's do what we
I
do.
want to change, I'll be back
Yes,
out.
sir. Yep.
What about the plates? We good?
Yeah.
Plates good. Where's the sway bar gonna go?
No.
All right, cool.
Hey,
Yeah, bub.
that's another thing. We gotta lose our wire, but the sway bar stays.
Good deal. That'll work. We'll take her
I
off.
thought
That's
for
why I
s-
said get her in the air.
I thought for sure.
And they were good with the washers?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, we're good, man. I mean, we knew that we would have to do quite a bit of cutting. We expected that when we got here. If they don't fit, flip them. Make sure they set in flat, boys. That set in good, Luke?
Yeah, so far.
Yeah, perfect. I just wanted to make sure. That way we don't have to worry about it. Let's put another pump or two on this and get her in the air, guys. I want her up there where we can get to it, please. That'll work. Take it up one more notch. Gotta have a lighter to spark the torch. Do what? Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I think it's good now, though. It ain't pushing, Tracy. Yeah, set her down, then let's get the back up. Yeah, we got it. Come on down, Dill. You got it. Hey, give that a jack. Dill, hold on. Let's see something. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. They're good right there. We can get to all that. That'll work. Yep. Now just set it down on Dylan, then put a little pressure up on it. Yep. Put a little pressure up, just a tick. All right. Yep, let's get that back in under there. Let's get them set. Seth, let's you and I go ahead and get the torch out. That'll work. Yeah, should have. That'll work. What's wrong? Yeah, in my pocket, but keep you another one handy. I just grabbed it. We'll put them under the rails. I'm gonna have to cut on those, so probably go in front of the wheels. I don't think there's anything up there that needs done. If yours, as long as you're on the middle of that bumper, Luke, you'll be fine.
I'm trying to let it slide too.
It's not gonna move a whole lot, babe. She's setting good up front, boys. Keep going, Luke.
Have plenty of time to make all these changes.
Yeah, we have, yeah. We got a lot to do, but we knew we would have. So, yes, we should have her finished out this evening. Hopefully, I don't know, by 10 or 11 o'clock, I'll be in the shower and ready to drink cold beer.
You seem pretty confident. Is there any stress behind any of this?
Bubby, I've been doing this shit for so long. You just do what you do. I mean, you know, JT, I was lucky. You know, he raced for a lot of years with the midgets. And then one day he wanted to run one of these, and, you know, I run them for years. I probably run them for 30 years or so. So, you know, we got hooked. This is where we're at, running with the best of them. So, just do what we can do and keep rolling.
It seems like it's on a really strong, like, upward trajectory, the sport as a whole.
It is. You know, Dustin, you know, kudos to him. He's trying to take it to the next level. We're looking forward to Bristol, you know, get this one out of the way and, you know, go to Bristol, have a good time, and, you know, just enjoy. I mean, it's great to be able to enjoy it 20 years later through your son. Look, I'm not living through him. It's just nice to support him and help him do what he does, you know.
You want to start whacking the front of this thing, and I can start working on with a grinder after that?
Let's get the wheels off of it.
These two can stay.
Okay.
So we got to
cut that one out.
Yeah, or if you just want to take it out of it.
No, I'll leave them.
But we got this has all got to go. And he said, damn, he said it's got to go.
Okay, so I'll just have to trim it out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. Let's get these out of the way. They get that set. I don't know what we got, but we're off this jack stand up here. I'm going to let it down a little bit in the front. There we go. No, there it is. Yep. Now look where you're at. Square that up. Right in the rail, Luke. On the outside rail.
Oh, you want to go right here?
Yeah, I want to go out on the outside where that cradle's at. No, straight, Luke. Like this. There you go, bub. There you go. There you go. Yep.
See how I'm at? So.
Hey, bub.
Yeah.
We'll cut-off wheels are in the front of my truck on the passenger side underneath the front.
All right, stay hydrated.
Oh, I am. We're good. Everything's down there.
We need
nothing. You're gonna need to slide that bad boy out of the way. Yep. How about on the A-arm straps? What do they want us to do? Burn
same
on
as
that?
last year. To try to get it to 8 inches.
Just across the bottom.
Crossing that bottom piece, pretty much.
That'll work. Hey Seth, why don't you go fire the generator up? Plug in the trailer.
Hey, we got the yep. You're already working on it. Cool.
What do they want here, bub?
They just can't touch, like always.
Just cut her through.
Yep.
That'll work.
Right here.
Didn't you tell them that was 16 inches?
We smoked that.
Okay, just thought I'd ask. Out, what do they want here? They want this out?
Yep. Pretty much everything we figured, I mean.
Right, yep.
Yeah,
That's great.
there's a jug of water so we have in case that catches on fire.
No, we see if you guys got any water? Do you?
No,
No,
like,
water.
Hey,
like a water jug.
up there by the
We got any
horse
fire?
farm, there's
Okay.
where's that big jug at? Oh, yeah.
Remember we put fuel in it
gas in
earlier.
But it's you dumped it out, right? We can't use it, right?
Yeah, we can use it. It's good for your fuel, but if she's bringing you one,
She's bringing ones.
then just go take that, go up and Seth and put water in it. Yeah, just hang on
That'll
to
work
it.
now. I got the
Yep. Hey.
Yeah.
We got to take that up a little bit. We're about to come off right here.
Okay.
You slide that back, Donnie.
The whole thing.
A little more set, JT. Yep, a little more. There you go. Yep. That'll work. Is the other side good? The other four good?
Other side's good. Yep.
Okay. Safety first, boys.
Yep. I want to leave the jack underneath. That
Yes, absolutely. Yep. What's this?
We got to get them down to 4 inches. So just get right up. Yep. Yep.
There we go.
Well, they asked me about them, yeah.
Wasn't buying the tubing situation at all.
He said, man, it's good to done it one piece. I bought it, but he didn't do it one piece.
I get it. Does he want you to kind of clean off the frame,
Yeah.
or can you leave the back wall of it?
It's got to come on. It'll be all right. We'll get it.
All right.
Now, come down both sides of this. Just one side. Got the tape measure. Keep that out here. I think we're getting pretty close as long as I clean the bottom up, don't you?
Right, pour off that's what I'm saying.
I am. Trying to let it cool so I don't burn the torch tip up.
We gotta lose 4 bolts. I gotta get it down to 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11,
12.
13, 14, 15.
Yep, so these 3 gotta go.
So just those 3?
Yep.
All right. Get your brother up here.
Yep.
Keep doing what you're doing, but do you want to tell me just like the 2 biggest things you're working on right now?
The major thing we're working right now is getting the tubing off the frame cut off. I tried to beat a rule, I didn't like it, so that's got to go. And then I got a bunch of stuff underneath the car. So the major thing is get the tubing cut off the frame. Once we get that cut off, everything else will be pretty much smooth sailing. So
Is that the most stressful thing that you're looking at right now?
yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, inspection went about how I thought. So it was a little disappointing we didn't get to keep the square tubing. I thought I had them beat on that rule, but apparently we didn't. So.